Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel.
Ride with Minaj, mashallah, check in with me, pin to your job, Queen is the name, Raphaello did the chain, this is Monse, Patty plain Jane, ride with
You can see by the, let me get this hair in my eye. As you can see by the title, as you can see by my hair, girl, as you can see by my hair. We are going to I'm going to show you guys many different styles you can do with your Brazilian curly straight, with your Brazilian curly straight, why do I keep saying straight? Recent video, I did a review on this hair, and now y'all seen it in action. So I actually did sleep with this hair, and when I woke up, it looked just like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys the many different styles you can do. But if you want to see how I get this hair to perfection, continue watching this video. The struggle was real. I don't know if y'all know, but finding a scrunchie in a black person household is the most hardest task in the world. So thank you baby so much for watching. Love you guys as always, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.